maybe help us demystify some of the lingo and tell us the difference between personalization and optimization?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So yeah, those two terms are thrown around pretty much interchangeably, even though they're related but different. So you can think of optimization kind of as the baseline. That is trying to make the user experience better across, every audience, for every visitor. So those are things like, improving your overall site navigation or your mobile app design or the page layout, stuff like that. Something that would apply to pretty much everyone. Personalization kind of stacks on top of that. It's kind of like optimization for individual audiences, all the way down to the individual level. Trying to make things as relevant as possible, for each user that touches your site or app. And a lot of people don't realize, or at least a lot of IT folks don't realize, is that your digital properties, they're all marketing. Absolutely everything is marketing. And all the stuff we do with personalization and optimization just kind of builds upon that marketing strategy.